Hello, I'm Santino. Welcome to another episode of the Managers Podcast. Today I'm going to be showing you, for people who wonder how to make a YouTube channel. It's basically very simple. So first, I'm just on my Man Bros account, but I'm going to do an example, a fake YouTube, a fake account, and then I'll show you. So first, you're going to want to go to Google Sign In. We're gonna go to Google Login. Sorry, just let me sign out, okay? And then I'll show you. So let me sign it. This is just a picture I found. Anyways, you're gonna look up Google Sign In. Don't mind this, but we're gonna start fresh now. You're gonna go to Google Sign In. You're not gonna get this, but when you go in, you'll get this. So you don't have an account. So you see this? You're gonna press create an account. For myself, it depends if you have a business. And I'm just gonna make something up. After you make it, it's optional. It's optional, so I'm just going to think of one I can find. So I'm just gonna get my account. I'm gonna get my account in. Don't wait, you guys aren't gonna see it. So I'm gonna put it in. I might even blur it out. So you're going to put in your birth, but if you're under like 13 years old, it won't work. So make something up. So January 12th, and then you just put in your year. Just gonna do this for free, and then you can choose it. If you're female, put in female, male, rather not say, or custom. And then you would read through all these. I've made an account before, so I'm just gonna push I agree. And now you made it, and now you're gonna get this screen. Now you're gonna go click this waffle at the top, and you're gonna push YouTube. Then go here, and then you're gonna press your little thumbnail here, and then you're gonna choose here, get started, and then you can do whatever you want. I'm gonna do a custom name, and I'm gonna do sample man. Just gonna do I'm gonna do sample man, just as an example. You're gonna push I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings. And then you're gonna press create. Now it's just gonna create the name of the channel. And then you can choose, and then you can change your picture. I'm just gonna do sample. And then if you have a picture you'd like to use, you can press upload, and then you just go through your things. Then you go save and continue, and then you'll get this page. This is what your channel will look like. It'll have your name, no subscribers, and then you'll have all these pages for uploading videos. About sample. And then it will tell you everything here. Once you get more views, it will tell you. So I'm just gonna upload a video to show you what it might look like. You know, I'm just gonna skip that. I'm gonna select a random file. You know what? Maybe I'll go to the Marinelli Brothers podcast. No, I'm looking for something. No, sorry about that. Just something for sure. I'm gonna choose this. I'm gonna choose the ducks video. Probably remember that. I'm just gonna choose that example, and then you'll get this. You put ducks. You can tell them about your video. You have to wait for it to load those. That's the thing that sucks. So you're going to just put in all your info. You have to choose if it is or is not made for kids. So for example, I'm gonna just do this all ahead of time when it finishes. These are end cards. You can do those later. And then for visibility, you're gonna press public. You can set a premiere for a specific date. And then you would press publish. But first you have to wait for it to finish. And anyways, that is gonna be it for today's video of the Man Neighbors podcast. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment on our videos. Have a good day and goodbye.